It is important to look after your skin, and equally important is to look after the makeup brushes. To achieve the perfection in makeup, the brushes should be regularly looked after and cleaned. There are 4 things that you require to consider while cleaning the brushes. Firstly, Real Technique Deep Cleansing Gel. Secondly, cleaning mat. It has 2 purposes. Top one, as you can see, is used for washing, and the bottom one is used when you are rinsing. The next one is a plastic bowl to mix a cleansing with water. And lastly, a tissue to set the brushes dry. Pour the Real Technique cleansing gel on a plastic bowl and mix it with water. From there, dip the brush in a solution and use the mat to clean the brush. Once the brushes are washed, you can use this rinse eye on the mat to rinse the brushes. After the brushes are clean, place them on the tissue to set dry.